Hello, buddy. This is So Smith. This is Troy Seekers back again. This time again with. Do you know who you are?
No.
All right. So today we have here something called Glow Up Sour Patch Kids, and then Swedish Fish. So, what are your opinions on these fun-filled candies?
I hope they don't taste like garbage.
Excellent content we got going on right here. So apparently they have edible confetti that glows under black light. I do have a black light right here. And it does actually glow, if you can get that on camera.
The fish do glow also.
The fish do glow. I don't know if I want shit that glows going in my body, but here we are. Here we are.
That ship sailed a long time ago.
So do you want to do the Sour Patch Kids or the Swedish Fish
They're
first?
Sour Patch.
You like those more?
Yeah. I mean, they're basically the same.
Let's just take a look at one. Look at that. It does. It's glowing. How do you feel about that?
This feels like me on a Tuesday night, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
All right, let's give this a shot. You ready?
All right, ready?
3,
2, 1. It says the flavor is supposed to be strawberry watermelon.
I could taste the watermelon.
I'm only getting watermelon.
Yeah, there's no strawberry there.
Just gonna break the fourth wall here.
Oh. I have a cameraman today. That's Aiden right there.
No, it's
Say
not.
hi.
I'm just a cameraman.
Okay.
You hired me.
Am I paying you? Well, I don't remember that.
You're paying him in love.
Thank you, Troy.
You know, these are mid as fuck.
Yeah.
I was kind of hoping for more, but then again, they were on clearance for like
That's
$1.
It's literally they have
very
those Sour Patch watermelons
This is
that no one ever buys. They just reshape them to those. They were like,
and to make them glow.
oh, let's try the Swedish Fish. I'm not. It's the same flavor, except it's not sour. So,
But I like Swedish Fish more as a candy for me.
so as you can see, it's a fish. It's got the same texture.
Same glow.
Yeah.
It looks fucking raw ass because it looks like a moldy fish in the camera. I don't know if the camera's getting that. Does this not look like a fucking moldy ass fish?
It's not looking good. It just looks like a sour. It literally looks like they just didn't put the food dye in, and they're like,
You know, the fun red.
marketing gimmick, baby.
All right, let's give it a go. 3.
It's even worse. In my professional opinion, this shit is ass. Going back to the Sour Patch. At least it's sour.
All right. Yeah, that is mid as fuck. I'm actually very disappointed.
Yeah.
I was hoping with all the fun gimmicks that this be like a better flavor, but no.
I mean, I'm just not a big watermelon guy.
Got
first of
like,
all.
where's the strawberry?
Oh, see, if it was strawberry, then I'd be smiling. As you can see,
No smile.
I'm not smiling.
All right, you got to rate it out of 10. All right, what are you gonna give Sour Patch
A
Kids?
solid 4.
4 out of 10. I agree. Swedish Fish.
2.
Yeah, 2 out of 10.
The sour really gives it an extra 2 points, you know?
But is something inoffensive really worth such a low score?
It's the
Yes.
principle.
Mm.
It's watermelon. It's the
Okay.
principle.
Do you want to have one of the goddamn Swedish Fish?
I'll have one.
Taste that. You tell me if that's not a
2 out of 10.
Tastes like nothing.
That's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
It's empty calories. You don't even get a good. Take that. You know, if I'm going to poison my body
What
with
flavor is
probably
that?
micro,
Watermelon.
yeah, it's watermelon. If
I
I'm
would
gonna
forgot that
poison
damn.
my body with like microplastics, you know, I'm gonna have plastic in my brain. I at least want it to taste like
Is there only watermelon?
appealing.
Yeah.
It's only watermelon.
Oh.
It's supposed to be strawberry watermelon, but
So great.
no
I can
strawberry.
glow in the dark, but
All right, folks.
If
Well,
you could have like at least warned me that it was watermelon.
Were you watching
Haley,
the
it's
video?
watermelon.
have you not been paying attention to the fucking video we've been
No,
filming?
it's the watermelon's
This
the
is
worst flavor.
this is so bad. I'm still gonna eat it.
I'm still disappointed. Luckily, we have other food to try in a later video. Hopefully, hopefully that's better. But all right, folks. I'll catch you on the next video.